one last startup. What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to Red, White, and Boosted. My name's Colin, and if you haven't already, please take a minute to like and subscribe. And if you can, if you like the videos you've seen so far, go ahead and hit that bell as well. To catch you up on what I'm going to be doing today in this video, I've already loaded the Mustang, which if you saw the last video, will probably tell you that I sold it. It was like really reluctant, but I don't know if you guys knew this, but Craigslist charges like $5 to post an ad now. So that's kind of like weeds out a lot of the BS that used to get on there. I found a buyer. He's in South Carolina in Charleston. So today we're going to be taking Jenny's engagement present, the 65 Mustang. That's a wild and out kind of car, to Charleston. And we're going to take along my dog Windsor, which you guys know him from the first video I made. It's gonna be awesome. I think that the new owner seems like he understands like what the car needs and how to get it done, and kind of values the car. That's really what I was looking for. I just hate to see it go, but I'm glad to see it go to a good guy. So let me catch you guys up here in a minute and we'll go from there. Thanks. Pit stop time. We're letting Windsor go pee on some stuff. Windsor, little bubby, hey. Windsor. What'd you find? What'd you find, Bubby? Hey. All right, guys, so we're maybe 2 or 3 minutes from the guy's house. I just checked over the car, got all the small little things out that I needed to get out. Windsor's still back here, and he is in South Carolina and is happy. All right, guys, so we just made it to Charleston. I got the car here, got it on the truck. We're about to meet the new owner. Hey, I'm Colin.
Corey.
Pleasure to meet you. So anyways, I'm just gonna show him around the car, but we'll be back in a minute, so it's a done deal. He's gonna take the car, I'm gonna park it over here next to him, so it's gonna be the final drive. But he seems very happy. He seems to really understand what it's gonna take to make this car really what it should have been his whole life. But let's go for one last startup. I love this car. Spent a lot of time working on this to get it the way that I wanted it, and I'm sure he will too. So Corey, when you see this video, I just want you to know that I'm hoping you take care of her just as much as we did. And I know that you will. So let's do it. All right, guys. You notice there's no trailer. We dropped it off. Dropped off the car. Dropped off the trailer. Got my dog, little Windsor. It's our truck. Come on. Alright, so we're here on Market Street in Charleston. We're gonna go get some crab. We're both on pretty strict diets right now, trying to lose some weight. Also, I've heard a lot of cool things about Market Street, so we're gonna go check that out afterwards. Windsor, what are you doing? What are you doing over there? Uh oh, he got caught by the leash.